Hello students, welcome back to our second video. In the first video we learned about inserting audio and video files into your presentation. Now we are going to learn about slide translations and slide animations in this video. So let's get started. Slide translations and slide animations. Okay students, so these are the steps given to insert slide translation and slide animations. First we are going to see slide translations. Now before we start for slide translation, we are going to see what the slide translation means, or it is called. Now while watching films or cartoons, you have noticed that how the next scene has been begins when the scene ends. That means sometimes the scene comes after, before, from, top, from, bottom. So you all have observed it many times. So now what is slide translation? The way one slide follows the other on the screen is called as translation. That means the way one slide comes on your screen is called as slide translation. Okay, now we'll see how to insert slide translations. So for that you need to go towards translations tab. Here we have the translations tab. Now here it will show you many images or many translations. You can select any one of that. You can select fall over, wind, fracture, crush, peel off, origami, etc. I'll select fracture. So you can see the changes over here. Okay, so now once you put the slideshow, and press the next button, now you can see. Okay, so once you put the slideshow and press the next button, you can see the slide translation. Now remember one thing, slide translation is given to the slide and not any content written into the slide. Okay, so I hope you all understood this. The special tab has been given, that is translation. You can select on that tab and then select whichever translations you want. Now we'll see what are animations. Now animations are nothing but the special effect that you can add to a text or object on slide. Now animations are given for the text or an object on the slide and not for the slide. For slide you have slide translations, and for images or text or objects you have animations. Okay, so these are the steps. Now if you can see in animation groups, if you all go animation groups, okay, next slide. Okay, I'll insert an object over here, or I'll select this arrow. I've drawn this arrow. Okay, now I'll go to animation. Now in animation also you all have various objects. Okay, how do you want your object to come, like flying out, see, or you want to split, horizontal you want, vertical you want, that is also there. You can want string. Okay, now here you have an option, more entrance, more emphasis, exit, motion path. These are the more animation given. Okay, these are extra animation given. Okay, so I hope you all understood how to insert slide translation and slide animation. Slide translations are given for slide and animations are given for the content or the text or object on the slide. Okay, so here if I add one more object, let's say I'll add another shape over here. Okay, I've added this shape and I'll go in the animations tab and I'll say up here. Okay, so as soon as I do the slideshow, y'all can see the changes that had the animation that was there. Okay, you can even say bounce. So once you put the slideshow, okay, it has come bouncing. So students, now I hope you all understood how to insert animations and slide translations for your slide. Okay, so I hope you all understood this video. Thank you.